Today I'm going to show you how to install the WeatherTech in-channel rain guards. Now I didn't like the tape-ons that I did with this vehicle before, so I removed them. The WeatherTech in-channel rain guards just look better and better quality, so I decided just to go with these. Make sure you clean the inner track where the rain guards are going to sit. I'm just using some detail spray, or you could use some degreaser. All right, so with the front ones, you want to make sure this goes up in the channels. So basically, bring it up, push it up in there. This part should not go down in the channel. Keep this down just a little bit. And then you're going to bend it into the channel. Now lift up as much as you can. Now we're gonna pull up the windows, all while pulling up on here. And just slowly bring them up. Watch your fingers. And that's it. And that's gonna rest on there for 13 hours. Now with the rear, just remove this backing tape. Same idea. Bring this right up in here. Okay. Door. That should be good. So we're gonna leave that for 13 hours with the windows up. Don't put the windows down till after 13 hours and we're all set. Now one last thing with the rear, don't forget this clip here. That's gonna go right in here in the in channel. And you're just gonna leave that on there. Okay, great folks. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe. I'm gonna have some more videos coming out.